Want to create an elegant, advanced slicer in Excel like this? Here's how to do it. First, insert 4 rounded rectangles and remove their outlines. Copy them into PowerPoint and place them over the black background we created. Select everything, go to Merge Shapes, and choose Fragment. This creates 4 perfect openings in the background. Copy the new background back into Excel and send it to the back. Now insert 4 transparent PNG images representing the different diamond stone types. Next, select your pivot table, go to Insert Slicer, and choose Stone Type. Customize the slicer design. Make the selected button white, while the non-selected buttons and text are black. For the hover state, use a clean beige color. Increase the button size. Position the slicer behind the black background and align each button with one of the openings. Finally, place your 4 transparent diamond PNGs on top. And that's it. Now when you hover over or select a diamond, you get this beautiful, interactive slicer effect. A simple trick to turn a standard Excel slicer into a professional dashboard element.